Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download XRay Vision for your PC or Minecraft. So first you have to simply go to your browser and you have to search for the carsforce.com and you have to search for the XRay Ultimate, and you can find this mode from here and you can download it from here. Simply click on download, or you can simply click on install button here, so it will install that. So here you can see first you have to download the CurseForce, then you have to finish the installation and setup, then you can click the install that mode here, or otherwise you can simply click on download and you can download the app right now. So right here I'm going to install it, and you can install it, then you can just finish the installation and set up it, and then you can go to the XRay Unlimited. You can copy that from here and you can paste it in CurseForce app, and you can download the mode and you can add that mode and open that mode with your Minecraft, or it will automatically add that mode with your Minecraft if you connect your Minecraft with your CurseForce application. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.